install a vanity. I began by placing the cabinet against the left wall, then marking the drain pipe behind it and the 2 water lines underneath it. The hole saw I'm using is a 2.5 inch for the back and a 1.5 inch for the 2 bottom water lines. Next, you rock the cabinet forward and you begin by putting in the 2 bottom water lines first, then dropping it down at an angle, and then putting in the drain pipe. Go ahead and pre-drill 3 holes for the screws you will be using to attach both cabinets together. Place the next cabinet right beside it and go ahead and mark the back drain pipe and the 2 water lines below. Once more, rocking it forward and begin with the water lines below. Now you can place the 3 screws to hold the 2 cabinets together. Make sure and check your level. Next, begin hunting for the studs and mark them by pre-drilling a hole on the back of the cabinet. You can start putting your panhead screws in now. Preparation for the countertop, pre-drill some holes on the top side of the cabinet on each corner. Here I am cutting the toe kick for the bottom part. Color in your edges for the color match. They will be exposed. Begin marking your scribes for both sides of the cabinets. I am using an 18 gauge nail gun with 1 1/4 nails. For the scribe, I'm using my pin nailer with 1 inch pin nails. We are installing a wood laminate countertop, so we will screw it in from below. The 2.5 inch screws I'm using, I'm putting them in at an angle to not go through the countertop. You can slide the drawers back in now. We are going to seal all the edges by caulking them with a color match. Just make sure to have clean thin lines and clean off all the excess. Now that your vanities are in, all you need is the plumbing and you're good to go. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.